Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you saw in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock a smartphone PIN pattern password. And if you are watching this video, then I'm sure my friend, your phone is locked due to forget password. So don't worry about that. At the end of this video, your phone will be unlocked 100% definitely. If my previous video didn't work on your phone and your phone could not unlock, and then don't worry, by the new method what I'm going to give in this video, your phone unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end. Further in this video I will also tell you why sometime the method of unlocking don't work. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone should battery charge at least 30%, otherwise whatever data you have in your phone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you must fully charge your phone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of use this method to unlock your phone. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you that this method is updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked by this trick, then take help of my upcoming videos or old videos, and for this you must subscribe this channel. And if the your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then my friends, please like this video. These type of likes give of encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. So my friend, now I am going to give you how you can unlock this phone. So first of all, before unlocking this phone, there are two important things you have to do with your phone. Firstly, your phone should be converted on airplane mode. I mean to say, before use this unlocking method, you have to completely off your telecom network, and any type of Wi-Fi network should be closed. So simply click on airplane mode button, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply click on this option. Your all the network like telecommunication network, Wi-Fi network will be closed after activating this airplane mode. Now the second important thing this method is, my friend, you have to completely close all the background running application which were running before your phone was locked. So it is generally not possible before unlock your phone. So there is a secret code which reveals by service center every 2 or 3 days. By this secret code you can close all the running application before the phone was locked. So how will you dial this secret code? So simply you can see here there is an option of emergency call option. So simply click on this emergency call option. After clicking on this emergency call option, you will get a such type of dialing pad. Now I am going to give you this emergency code, and this code is as in the form of USSD code. What is USSD code? You should know about it. USSD codes are such as the number which starts with star and end with has these type of numbers known as USSD code. Okay, so I am going to give you this code star 0852367779 and hash. After dialing this number, you have to generally click to call button. So simply click on this call button. After clicking on this call button, you will get an pop-up of a call failed, but just ignore it and continue this process 3 times. So first time I have called on this number, second time I have called on in this number, and this is the last time. Okay, now all the running application before your phone was locked is closed now. Okay, so now the second step is simply you have to clear this number. After clearing this number, now what we have to do? Now we have to go on engineer's mode, or it's generally known as master unlocking mode. So these unlocking methods generally used nowadays in service center also. So you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to go any service center, or you don't need any computer software to unlock your phone. So generally now I am going to use this trick which is generally used in service center. So the secret code which is used by service center to go on engineers mode is star hash 899 and hash. And one thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, this type of unlocking method generally use all the smartphone except iOS. Okay, so you can use these tricks on all the smartphones like Xiaomi, Redmi, Samsung, Oppo, Vivo. Every type of a smartphone should be unlocked by this process. Okay, now after clicking on this secret code star 899 hash, you will reach a such type of page. There are lots of options over there from top to bottom, you can see here. but you have to go with the software version. You can see there is an option of a software version, so simply click on this software version. After clicking on this software version, you will get a such type of page. You can see here there is a model of your phone RMX 2117. So you don't have to go with this option, you have to go with the second option, that is Android version 12. You can see here, so if your phone is showing Android version 10, 11, 12, 13, if your phone version is showing Android version 13, then you will have to click on this option 13 times. If my phone is showing there is a Android version 12, so I have to click on this option 12 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and you have to click on this option rapidly, don't click on this option slowly. Okay, so now the first step of my unlocking method has been completed. Now generally simply you have to go with the back button. After go with the back button, you will get the previous page. You can see here there is an option above the software version, that is manual test option. So simply click on this option. After clicking on this option, you will get a such type of page. Now what you have to do, you have to simply slide right side of your phone display and reach at the other option. Until you reach at the other option, you have to continuously go with the slide bar. Okay, now you can see there are 5 type of option, but there is an option of at the 4th number, database version. It may be possible your phone shows mainboard version, so don't worry, both are the same option. Okay, now generally simply you have to click on database version at the 7 times, and its click should be rapidly. Okay, so count down with me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now the 7-time click has been completed, my friend. Now the next and the very most important step, you have to follow it very carefully. You can see here there is an option of a read, write and important lock test. You can see at the 2nd number. Okay, now click on this option. After clicking on this option, you will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm this option. You have to simply cancel this option, and you have to simply cancel this option, and you have to continue repeat this process 3 times. You can see I have repeated this process 3 times. Now at the 4th time, again click on this option, and again you will ask to confirm this option. Now you have to OK this option. Okay, now after give a confirmation to OK option, your phone's password, pin and pattern are on reconstruction mode now. Okay, so now I'm going to give you the final and the most very important step. So at this step you have to be very careful about it. And one thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, you always comment my phone didn't unlock by your process. So it's not my fault, it's your fault. Kindly watch this video without any skip. Okay, if you skip a single step, then your phone is not going to be unlocked. Okay, so don't skip any step. Okay, so slide your phone's display left side. You will get an option at the top, device debugging option. You can see here device debugging. Okay, now you will see here there are lots of options from top to bottom. You can see here, but you have to go with the option sensor, self test and calibration option. You can see here, my friend, this option is at the 7th number option. So simply click on this option. After clicking on this option, you can see, my friend, there are 2 type of option appears at my phone display, but it may be possible your phone shows here 3 option and 1 option. So don't worry about it, all the options are very important, because you have to simply start these operations. You can see here the option showing here operation not started. So simply clicking on this option, you can start this operation, and you have to generally clicking on this option until you get a test pass message. You can see I am going to clicking on this option. Test started and failed, test started and failed. You can see test failed, but it may be your time taking option, my friend. So you will have to continuously click on these option until you get test passed message. Okay, you can see now, my friend, you can see here there is a single test pass message has appeared on your phone. It means your phone has been unlocked. So you have to, what you have to do now you don't have to do anything. You have to go with the home button. You can see at the bottom of the phone there is an option of a home button. So my friends, then simply click on this home button. Now you can see, my friend, all the application as it is, and is my phone, and my phone is unlocked completely. If this video helped you to unlock your phone, then like this video, because these type of likes help us to give you such type of videos. So thank you very much. See you in next video with the next updates, my friend. Thank you.